Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste your files on Mac. So if you've got a file you want to make a duplicate of, you can click on it first with your mouse. After it's highlighted, you will see that the name is with like the highlight color. Then you can use the keyboard shortcut combination for copy and paste. You may know that on Windows it's Ctrl C and then Ctrl V, but on Mac we use Command button. So press Command C to copy and then Command V to paste. As you can see, the copy just appeared here next to it. We can also right click on the file and there's option to duplicate it. So you can do it without using any keyboard shortcuts as well. That's the fastest way of creating copies of your existing files in your system. I hope this very short tutorial was helpful and see you in the next video.